So this week our blog post was about the extreme rate of adoption of tablets, with the iPad leading the way. According to the article we shared, one of the ways people like to use their tablets is to watch videos. And today we're going to learn how to create a very short informational video using the iPad. So this is the iPad 2. It has two cameras, one facing me, the top of the screen, and one in the back. The iPad 2 and iPad 3 have these two cameras on them. The original iPad only had the one facing you. So in this case, what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn on the camera. And the camera opens up. It's got the image facing me. And if I want to change that, down in the lower right-hand corner, there's an icon. Looks like a camera with arrows in it. And I just push that. And now the camera is facing the other way. So I can walk around and maybe point it at some things that I want to show, perhaps computer hardware, perhaps classroom technology. And I can flip it back around. Now right now it's not recording anything. In order to record, we have to select this little icon up here. Before we get started with that, I also want to show you that I can toggle back and forth between the camera and the movie. So for video, I want to keep it over to the far right. And then I've got this little icon here that looks like a little record button, and all I have to do is just push that, and it'll flash, and I'll be recording. In the upper right-hand corner, it indicates just how long my recording is so far. So it's kind of nice for that. And that's really about all it does. When you're done recording, you simply push this red button again, and it'll stop, and it'll save an image in the lower left-hand corner. Just click on that image, and it will open up your gallery. So I'll turn the orientation here, you can see the gallery. And then these are all of the things that are in my gallery, and I can flip through them back and forth, find the thing that I want to use. Here's one that I had earlier today. If I select this one, I just touch it. In the upper right-hand corner, you'll see that there is a little box with an arrow, something that will allow me to export or share what I recorded here. And these are my options. I can share it via email, send it to YouTube, or just make a copy of the video. In this case, I'm going to send it to YouTube. And at this point, I would put in the title, the description, if I want any tags in it. And then I can decide how I want this to be shared, whether I want it to be public, whether I want it to be unlisted or private. Private means you have to have a YouTube account to log in and see it. I'm going to choose unlisted. Unlisted allows anyone who has the link to view it. So I can share the link, and it is specifically for those folks that I share it with. So if I share it on my Blackboard course or put it in as a link in a description in a email, that information's right there. And I will do it that way, and then I'll share it later on the blog. And that's it. Thank you.